Our top news this week. Frame.io has just launched a major new service designed to further integrate the film production set with the cloud. With Camera to Cloud, users can send proxies with synced audio and timecode from compliant professional cameras to the cloud instantly. This can be done either via current 4G and future 5G networks or Wi-Fi. Frame.io partnered with industry-leading companies such as Teradek, Sound Devices, and Colorfront to provide an end-to-end pipeline with certified equipment. At launch, compatible cameras include Red DSMC2 cameras, Arri Alexa, and Amira, with more to follow. The service is currently in beta and will be available at no additional cost to users with Pro and Team Frame.io accounts, as well as enterprise clients on a project-by-project basis. SmallHD has released a new version of one of their latest on-camera monitors. The new Focus Pro OLED Limited Edition comes in white to match the latest Red Komodo Stormtrooper cameras. However, thanks to its SDI functionality, it can be used with other professional cameras as well. The Focus Pro OLED has a full set of professional monitoring tools, including custom 3D LUT support, as well as a bright 1080p touchscreen display with a Red Komodo camera control license included. Sony has launched the Technicolor Look Collection with 22 LUTs for the Sony Venice. These new looks can be used for both on-set monitoring and post-production. When used in camera for monitoring purposes, the Venice supports the new .art format, available since the launch of firmware 6.0. This look library has been specifically developed for the Venice color science and leverages Technicolor's legendary expertise in the field. Each look includes a .art file for improved in-camera monitoring, as well as SDR and HDR cube files for post-production and delivery. And speaking of Sony, just a quick reminder, you can still register for our free streaming event next week on February 24th with Alistair Chapman, who will be going over the wide range of Sony cameras and audio gear, their differences, as well as how to pick the right equipment for your video production. Use the link in the description below. And that's it for this week. We'll be back next week with more news in 90 seconds.